In an industry defined by materials, measurements, logistics, and margins, it's easy to forget the people. But at Stor-Mor Portable Buildings, people aren't an afterthought. They're the foundation. More than 200 dealers and representatives from across the country gathered for something that had never been done before. Stor-Mor's first ever Dealer Summit. Not just to talk about buildings, but to build something bigger. Community. The shed industry is built on independence. Individual lots, individual businesses, individual teams. But independence doesn't have to mean isolation, and growth doesn't have to mean distance. As Stor-Mor expands across the country, leadership made a decision. We will grow without losing connection. The summit was designed to deliver real value, not service-level updates, not corporate speeches, but practical tools. Dealers participated in hands-on marketing sessions, sales strategy workshops, and in-depth product knowledge training highlighting upcoming improvements and innovations. But something unexpected happened in the room. The learning just didn't come from the stage. It came from the tables. Dealers sharing ideas, comparing strategies, talking through challenges, and offering solutions. And that's where alignment begins. When everyone understands the product, when everyone understands the vision, when everyone speaks the same language, the customer experience changes. Excellence deserves to be recognized. And during the award ceremony, top-performing dealers were honored using measurable data: sales volume, lead closing performance, consistency. Numbers matter, but behind every number is a family business, a team, a lot manager working late, a salesperson following up one last time. Recognition does more than reward performance. It builds pride, and pride builds momentum. Community extends beyond buildings. Joining the summit was Brent Reeves, host of This Country Life on the Meat Eater Podcast Network, and a Stor-Mor partner. After collaborating with Stor-Mor to design and build a custom podcast studio, Brent shared a story rooted in craftsmanship, authenticity, and purpose. A building can hold equipment, but it can also hold dreams. Also taking the stage was Carlos Whitaker, author, podcaster, and global speaker known for inspiring connection and hope. His message was simple, yet powerful. Business is about people. When relationships are strong, growth becomes sustainable. In many industries, scale can dilute relationships. But Stor-Mor is intentionally choosing the opposite. Choosing transparency. Choosing shared vision. Choosing togetherness. When dealers feel included in the future planning of the company, when they feel heard, when they feel valued, they don't just sell buildings. They represent a brand. When dealers feel encouraged, they feel pride in their work, pride in their partnership, pride in the team. And when that happens, the entire network grows stronger. From Florida to Utah, from small-town lots to growing markets, from first-time buyers to repeat customers, community scales, and culture compounds. In a shed industry where true community can be hard to find, Stor-Mor is proving something different. When people come first, performance follows. This isn't just a dealer summit. It's the beginning of a stronger network, a unified vision, a culture built to last. Because at Stor-Mor, we don't just build structures, we build community.